So in this video, we are going to see automation testing. Let's see what is that one. So testing is a process where you will check whether the actual product meets the customer requirements or not. And also the main goal of testing is to check to check whether the product works as per the requirement, and also it must not have any error. So the main purpose is to identify the errors and missing requirements. So testing can be done manually as well as we can do automation testing also. So, but when you're doing manual testing, we have some disadvantages. So let's see what are they. When you're doing manual testing, the result is not that much accurate when you compare that with automation testing. And one more thing is performance testing cannot be done with the help of manual testing. And you're going to do the same, you're going to write the test case again and again. So it will be a boring process. And because of that one, some errors may occur. And one more thing is, it is not that much reliable and you cannot reuse the code. So these are some of the disadvantages of using this manual testing, and reusability is not supported here. So we are going for automation testing. So the results are very accurate, and performance testing can be done with the help of automation testing, and it is not repetitive. It is not repetitive because testing is done by the tools, so it will give accurate result. And manual intervention is less, so the possibility of error will also be diminished. So automation test, what it will do is it will make the process more reliable. So and bugs can be identified at the earliest stage itself. So cost will be, productivity costs will be reduced. And one more thing, so it is having various strengths. Let's see what are all they. So for performing automation testing, so the tool we are used is Selenium. So it is used to automate web-based applications. So the main advantage of using the Selenium are it is an open source. So it is not going to cost more. It is an open source tool, and it is supported by languages like Java, Python, PHP, C Sharp. So even if only one language, if you know, means you can use it. So it is not having any language constraints. And one more thing is it is platform independent. That means you can run your Selenium codes in any OS. It can be Windows, it can be in Mac, it can be in Unix, it can be in any OS. It will run in any OS. And if you want to make use of the Selenium means, there is no need for installing large number of number of hardwares and all, because Selenium code, it is just a jar file. You'll be just adding the jar files. And one more thing is parallel execution is possible here. And once you learn some basics of lab programming language, then it is very easy to understand the Selenium codes. So these are some of the advantage of using the Selenium. So we are using two types of frameworks in Selenium. So when it is done with Java, we are using two types. One is TestNG and another one is Cucumber. So TestNG is a testing framework, and it is inspired from unit test, and it covers all the types of categories of testing. That is unit testing. Unit testing means if you want to test a small part, then unit testing will do that one. If you and you can perform integration testing, you can combine two modules and you can perform testing as a whole. Also you can test. So these are the categories of testing covered by this TestNG, and automatically reports will also be generated. So we can use TestNG. It will help you to reduce the complexity. And another framework that is popular among field is Cucumber. Cucumber is also a testing tool. It supports behavior driven development frameworks. So it will define the application behavior using simple English. So you can easily understand this Cucumber. So both these TestNG framework as well as this Cucumber, it will increase productivity because it will be very fast and accurate, and it supports various applications also, and test coverage can be increased. By using these tools, test coverage can be increased, and it will never forget to check smallest unit. So it leads to 100% test coverage. So these are some of the advantages of using the Selenium TestNG frameworks. So that's all for this video.